Good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Doing a video walkthrough the Sea Ray 270. It's very windy here. I'm going to try to stay out of the wind as much as possible, but just want to show you the condition of this boat. Upholstery up here is in good shape. Got a little place here around the ski pylon and some stitching missing there on that aft sun pad. No rips or tears. Metal piping on the tower looks good. Head compartment here. Some powder coating missing there. Display's got some sun damage. This LCD display is hard to read. Chart plotter Ray Marine unit seems to be fine. To the bow, got index storage, got it lit up. These cushions up here are starting to show their age, cracking. Bow ladder. It's a lot of boat for the money. It's very clean. We just detailed it, but it's not perfect. There's some areas on the upholstery that, if you're looking for a perfect boat, you'll want to redo. Motor's running now. Side was just buffed and waxed. It shows very well. A little bit of corrosion there on the window. Appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. Give me a shout if you need anything or have any further questions. 910-264-4818.